This is a super quick one, guys. If you have an Econoline that's in the last 20 years or so, this is how you take off your cup holder console. And supposedly in some models, you can actually take this off and it's an access door to the front of the engine, but not on this particular one. Anyway, super quick. You have 3 pegs, 1, 2, and 3, and the back of the cup holder or the console just slides down and seats on these. And then you've got this guy who's a little different. He's got a little plastic tongue that sits in here, and then this little metal bump right here pops into a hole to hold on to it. So when you want to get it out, you have to push down on this to release it. And if you don't know that's there, you wind up ripping this out or damaging that tongue. So in my case, I ripped the old one out and messed the metal rivets that were here, so I've replaced that with self-tappers, put this back in. And then my old console is right here. As you can see, there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and then there's that little plastic tongue I was talking about. I've got a replacement that I'm installing. The consoles are pretty much interchangeable from 1997 up through about 2020. They didn't change this layout any. And the consoles have different shapes and sizes and capabilities, but they pretty much all of them will sit right here. So in my case, I actually am going to replace this with one from a 2000 to 2005 van. I'll show you that one real quick. So this started out life gray, and I got a hold of some Duplicolor tan vinyl paint and sprayed it down. I used the whole can, but this is what I'm putting in. It's got the same basic setup in the back. Turn this around here. Whoa. All right. See, started out life gray. So you got 1, 2, 3, and there's that tongue set up a little bit differently. And I got this from a salvage yard, and they broke it when they took it out. So I'm not super worried about this one. I believe it's just an anti-rattle clip, really. It is the wrong color tan, but I think it'll work. I'm content with it. So you can see the 2000-2005 one, you got this giant cubby here. It's just an open cubby. You have larger, deeper cup holders than you do on the 97 model. You got these smaller cup holders for your traditional 12-ounce cans. You got like another one here, / coin thing. You have a random bucket of things. And then this does latch, but it's a simple latch, much more simple than the one on my 97. Push it down, open it up, there you go. I didn't paint the inside because, well, 1, I ran out of paint, 2, it didn't seem like I needed to. But yeah, cool thing about this vinyl paint is you give it an hour and you're good to go. You can go ahead and start using it, which is really nice. But yeah, there you go. If you ever wanted to change out your center console on your Econoline, that's how you do it.